Are working with creating the blocks and symbols that we're going to use in future assignments in this course. Once again, this is the UNT ADES 3620, courses 501 and 502, and we're going to be talking about creating blocks. We're creating the symbols that we will be using in further assignments during the course of the semester. Like we did previously, we're going to click on our templates to start a new file and select acad.dwt. We'll let this file launch. Excuse me. Okay. Once again, I'm running this on my MacBook. It's a 2015 MacBook. The Retina display, the little 12-inch model. Chances are your machines are going to be a little faster than mine. I'm running this in Parallels. Come on. There we go. Okay. The first thing we're going to do, we have a brand new drawing open. I'm going to start my line command. Press L on the L on the command prompt. Press the space bar. Apparently a number of things are still loading. Yeah. I want to specify a particular corner, and I want to start at my origin point right here. Now I can try to mouse my way, or I can actually manually specify 0, 0, and it's important the creation of this block that I start there. And I want to draw a line extending 1 unit up. So drag in the direction that I want to go, manually type in 1 at the command prompt. I'm going to zoom in so that I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to draw a line along the 0-degree axis, 1/36th of an inch, or 1/36th of a unit long. Press return or press the space bar. I then want to create another line going down 1 unit. And even though this is the line command, I want to close this shape that I've made. So similar to a polyline, I can close it by typing CL at the command prompt or during the prompt of the line command and push return. And this ends the command, closes my shape. So you can see I have a very tall and very skinny rectangle. I'm now going to create an arc. This is one of the few times I'm actually going to create an arc starting with the center point. So you can see I've selected my drop down, click on that center point. I'm going to specify the center point of the arc, and again I want this arc centered right at 0, 0. So I can either wiggle my mouse and move into where I can snap on it, or I can type in 0, 0. Boom, there we go, and that's established the center point of my arc. Where does my start point of my arc begin? So this is not only going to establish the radius, but it's also going to establish the starting angle which my arc is going to be drawn at. Arcs are always, when drawing this part of a circular arc, when drawing this part of an arc, you're always drawing in a counterclockwise motion to create this, the starting angle. So I want this to have a radius of 1 and an angle of 0. I can then move my mouse along that point, move it along so it rubber bands to the vertical snap, left click. This is now a door block, so I'm going to push my save icon, which is this guy right here. That allows me to save this file. Push save. I'm going to leave it here in my documents folder, and I'm going to call this block a door. And that is the creation of a door block.